Hello everyone and welcome to ERA tutorial. I am Aarti Naik. Today I am going to teach you class 7 subject English unit 1 topic 1.5 seeing eyes and helping hand. Seeing eyes and helping hand. In this lesson you are going to learn about how to give invitation to others or how to make important announcements, okay, or notices. So let us see one by one. 1.5 Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitations. That means school has arranged something, inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes and Helping Hand, and they were running short of time, and that's why they want to send the invitation within short time. At last the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. Here is a sample of what you did. See, B. We solicit your presence at inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hand at the hands of Srimati Vimala Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Shahayak Samji. Dr. A. M. Chowdhury, Dean. New Life Medical College and Hospital has kindly agreed to preside over the function. That means in this is a formal invitation made by school principal for school function, because school is going to start one project Seeing Eyes and Helping Hand, and as they were running short of time, a formal invitation was created by principal, so that with the help of invitation can be given to immediately, it can be given. No need to explain everything, because all matters are given in invitation only, okay. For example, time, venue, then who is inviting, okay, what is the program, why invitation is there. So all these things are mentioned here. Time is given 10 am to 11 am, Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue is given Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. And who is inviting to everyone? Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. Okay. So here a beautiful invitation is created with the help of our teacher and school principal. So if you have to do any, if you want to do invitation, you can make your invitation beautiful like this, okay. There are so many occasions in your school. Suppose when you will go to 9th standard, then you have to give a farewell party to 10th standard student. At that time you can give this type of invitation, okay, or any other occasion also you can give it. Also a notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the student and parents to the inauguration function. Now whatever invitation card first we saw, it was for guest, and this notice is for school students and their parents, okay. So here notice is given, standard students of standard 7 and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes and Helping Hand at the hands of Srimati Vimala Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chowdhury, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Timing is given, venue is given. So this notice is for school children, school students, especially for students of standard 7 and their parents. So many times school authorities have to communicate with your parents. How is it done in your school? So many of the time schools are giving you some short notices or invitation cards. So here are written some how are written communications sent, means if it is written, so how your communications means what, whatever school want to tell you, school authority want to tell you, you are conveying the message to parents, okay. So what is the way? Sometime SMS are sent, sometime messages are given with on WhatsApp, sometimes messages are mailed, sometimes messages are written messages are given with the students. So with your teacher's help, get 2 or 3 specimen of the notices announcement put up on the school notice board. So here are some example. Teachers made phone call to some special invitees. Here is the sample of one of such telephone conversation. Now for the inauguration of the program, uh, one invitation card is made, one notice is given. Now some are the special invitees, so to them teacher need to call. Okay, so which are those? Let us see. Receptionist said hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher, good morning, I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist, just a second. Teacher, thank you. News editor, hello Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher, fine. How are you? News editor, fine. Now this is your telephonic conversation and you are inviting to a news editor for your program. So you have to do all these type of formality, that means how to speak or how to make conversation on telephone. Teacher, teacher says, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor, I see. Teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like our paper to cover, we would like your paper to cover the function prominently. That means whatever inauguration is there of the project, that total function will be covered by news editor and will be published in their newspaper. News editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say the project is an important one, it should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher says this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor, fine. I have made a note of it. Teacher, thank you very much. So this is oral invitation. Whenever you want to invite, you can invite with this type of conversation and oral invitation can be given. First we saw invitation card, second notice, third oral invitation. Now next, student passed on the message to their parents. Here is a sample. Mummy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate in it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7 standards are inviting with their parents. Are invited with their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Miss Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. That means what work they students are going to do. Now school want to make them aware about their social responsibilities. So what is their program? They will inform in the inauguration program only. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, mummy. Let us see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. Okay. So this is another way of oral invitation. Now this is informal oral invitation. A student is talking, means a boy is talking with the mother. Okay. So all these type of invitation you have observed today in this lesson. First was the written invitation, second was notice, third was telephone communication, that was formal oral invitation, and the fourth one was informal oral invitation that you can give to your parents. Okay, so I hope that everybody might have understood this lesson. If you have any queries about it, do write in comment box. Definitely I would like to solve your queries, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.